using multi-tenant cloud, but using it for things that are mission critical. So, Forth pay nearly 300,000 people a month through their payroll system. They are holding the payroll data for all of those people within this platform. Cineworld take all their money through this system. Their business doesn't function. They cannot display the times of films on the screens in the cinema. They cannot sell a ticket. They cannot sell popcorn without these core systems. And Comic Relief, they take all their money, but they also attract all of the people who are going to do their events. We had 1 million people sign up to run the mile for Sport Relief this year. That kind of volume of traffic, those sort of volumes of people, is interesting and unusual. And if we look at the Sport Relief this year as an example, we were doing that on the platform at the same time as we were helping launch Pottermore, and at the same time as Cineworld were launching something called My Cineworld, which is a new way of them looking at the way they do interaction with their clients, coming back quite strongly to the previous presentation. What can you actually run on it? And this is stuff we've tested. You can go beyond this, but this is stuff we've tested. So the first thing is enterprise applications. You can run complex MySQL environments on it, complex clustered environments, lots of sharding of things. It's going to go beyond my technical knowledge very quickly if I try and explain any further. We run, in the back end of the Red Nose Day platform, for example, we run an Oracle 11G stretch rank cluster sitting on top of multiple sites of the platform. And we've run SAP for clients on top of it as well. VDI applications, Zen Desktop, VMware View, both of those fairly easy to run on top of this as a platform, allowing people to kind of put a toe in the water of VDI. I'm not quite sure where that market is going at this stage because it hasn't developed as much as I thought it might have done, but it's an interesting marketplace. And then line of business applications, things like SQL Server and SharePoint and Dynamics, kind of things that are critical and often hold unusually critical data, and there are some requirements around where that sits. There are some other things that we do on top of it. We were the first people in Europe to deploy production Cloud Foundry applications, and we delivered Cloud Foundry and also Staccato as a PaaS, so that people are in a position to be able to just consume that as and when they need it. So there are some interesting PaaS things there beyond the infrastructure piece. And that's kind of it for now. So just a brief introduction to the sort of things we do.